Hi, today I'll be reviewing Play-Doh Sweet Shop Perfect Twist Ice Cream Playset. This playset includes 3 Play-Doh Plus canisters and 2 regular Play-Doh canisters. This ice cream shop makes more than just ice cream. It can make donuts, cookies, and sundaes. This set includes 2 spoons, 5 ice cream cones, and 2 sundae cups. Another added bonus is this tool which makes sprinkles. In order to make an ice cream sundae or ice cream cone, use this clear plastic piece. The new Play-Doh Plus Play-Doh works the best for this. For this video, I will put the yellow Play-Doh on one side, and then I will put some pink Play-Doh on the other side of the mold. Once your Play-Doh is in the mold, you will place it in this green section of the toy. Next, you push the lever down, and there is your ice cream for your ice cream cone. However, you should remember to put an ice cream cone underneath before you push down the lever. This Play-Doh playset is one of my favorites. The lever is really easy to push down, so your children will not have trouble playing with it. This toy comes with enough ice cream cones and sundaes that you can share them with your friends. The ice cream even looks very realistic. The sprinkle tool is also very fun to use. I like how there's a stand where you can hold your ice cream cones and the sundae dishes. As you can see, this ice cream shop is loaded with different molds that you can use. I rate this toy a 5 out of 5.
Hello, Disney Heart Toys here, and today we'll be showing you how to make a one-piece swimsuit for Elsa out of Play-Doh. For the swimsuit, I used both blue and purple Play-Doh to match Elsa's coronation dress. To start, I'm going to cut out the front piece of the swimsuit, so kind of make a heart shape at the top, and then curve in, kind of like an hourglass shape. And we'll continue that down straight, and this bottom part will go underneath her and around the back. Once you have it cut out, just rip off the extra Play-Doh and we'll put it on Elsa. The Play-Doh sticks on pretty easily, so we'll just start at the top, just press it to her body, and then work your way down. Press on the sides, and then open up her legs here, and then press the swimsuit to the back. Now I have her front covered, but I don't have her back end covered, so just cut out a straight line, and then a curved half circle. And this will be the back of her swimsuit. See, her back end is not covered, so we just gotta put this little Play-Doh half circle, just line it up to her underwear, and press it to her body. The front and the back of Elsa's swimsuit do not connect, so I rolled out a little string of Play-Doh. We're going to just connect it from the front to the back. And of course, do the same thing on the other side. I am done with the blue Play-Doh, now I'll move on to the purple Play-Doh. I want to make a strip of Play-Doh that's going to go from her midsection and then along her back, and it will be decorative. Now since the front of her swimsuit kind of curves in like an hourglass, I want to cut out this purple piece in the shape of a trapezoid. But to get the piece to fit around her body nicely, just take a little cut into the top of the trapezoid. Now it's time to take this big strip of purple Play-Doh and put it on the Queen Elsa Barbie. Just wrap it around her back. And we have a little extra Play-Doh, so just grab your Play-Doh knife and cut along the blue swimsuit line and rip off the extra Play-Doh. The next thing I need to do is add a strap to the swimming suit. So I just rolled out with my fingers a long strip of purple Play-Doh. We'll connect it on one side, and you can just tuck it underneath the swimsuit. Wrap it around. We've got a longer strap than we need, so just rip off the extra Play-Doh and then tuck it under the swimsuit. Now Elsa's swimsuit looks pretty good right now. We could probably stop here, but I think it needs a little more decoration, so I'm going to add some detail to the blue part. To liven it up a little bit, I'm going to add a little ribbon going from the strap and push it down, and we'll make a V shape. Bring it back up, and then I'll cut it off. And to match some of the shapes that you see in Elsa's coronation dress, I'm going to cut out a diamond. I'm going to put the diamond just at the bottom of the ribbon here. That way it kind of looks like a necklace, or it could just be decoration on the swimsuit itself. And now Elsa's swimsuit is complete. I really like the blue and purple colors. It matches her eyes and eyeshadow. And I really like that the swimsuit is one piece and it's modest. Now all you have to do is find a beach for Elsa. The water might be a little cold in Arendelle, but then again, the cold never bothered her anyway. Click on a picture to watch another Play-Doh Barbie tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching and have a great day.